Namaste friends, welcome to Learn with Jay, empowered by Magic Needles. This day I am here with a beautiful tricolor motif which is titled as Shy and Granny Square motif, and it's a versatile motif for any decorative project. Okay, so without much delay, let us go into the video and learn how to make this Cheyenne Granny Square pattern. Chain 5, slip stitch and join to form a circle, chain 1. This does not count as a stitch. Place 8 single crochets inside the ring. Five, 6, 7, and the 8th one. I have made 8 single crochets. Now slip stitch and join to the very first single crochet. Now place a single crochet on the same stitch. Chain 5, single crochet in the next single crochet, so this is a repeat. Chain 5, single and next single. So place your stitches and get back. I shall also place my stitches and get back to you. I have 8 loops. Now slip stitch to the first single crochet and fasten this off. I shall be back with color B. With right side facing, join color B to any of the chain 5 spaces with a slip stitch. Chain 1, this does not count as a stitch. Make a single crochet. In every chain 5 space we are going to make this chain single crochet, half double crochet, double crochet, chain 1, again double crochet, half double, and a single. So these are the stitches we are going to place in every chain 5 space, and we complete the round, slip stitch and join, fasten off. Okay, single, half double, double, chain 1, half double, half double, single. These are the stitches we place in every chain 5 space. So I shall complete and get back to you. With right side facing, join color C to any of the chain 1 spaces between the 2 DCs. Place a single crochet in the same space. Chain 3. In the next chain 1 space, place 2 DC together cluster, actually 2 DC cluster, chain 2, 2 DC cluster, chain 2, 2 DC cluster, chain 3, single crochet and next chain 1 space. So this is the pattern repeat. Single crochet in the next chain 1 space, 2 DC cluster, chain 2, 2 DC cluster, chain 2, 2 DC cluster. So we have three sets of 2 DC clusters in the alternate chain 1 spaces. Continue this pattern till the end. I shall meet you when I come back to the place I started with. We've come to the end of the round here. Now chain 3, slip stitch to the first single crochet and fasten off. So I'll fasten off and I'll be back with color B now. So we are going to do the next round with color B. With right side facing, join color A to any of the chain 2 spaces that is just to the left of the corner. Anyway, you can join anywhere, it makes no difference. Only thing you need to know how to go about the stitches. That's it. It's a DC round here. And we're going to do the corners in a little different way. That's it. So you can either chain 3 and begin, or as usual we can make our twisted standing double crochet. And place 2 more double crochets in the same space. Chain 1, 3 double crochets in the next chain 3 space, chain 2 space, sorry. Chain 2, no, it's chain 3 only. We did chain 3. Only in the corners we did chain 2. So I'm becoming forgetful very often. Yeah. Now chain 1. In the chain 2 space, first chain 2 space, place 3 doubles. Chain 3. In the next chain 2 space, 3 doubles. In the corners, we had done chain 2 spaces. This completes one side. So the side and the corner. Okay. And now again, chain 1, 3 doubles under 3 chain space, chain 1, 3 doubles in the next chain 3 space. Continue the round in this fashion. Every side will have 2 sets of 3 doubles in the side and the corner. Okay. We've come to the end of this round here. Now chain 1, slip stitch to the very first stitch or the third chain of 3 chains and join and fasten off. Slip stitch, join and fasten off. I shall fasten off and then we'll be back with color B to work the last round. Join color B to the first DC to the left of the corner stitch on any side. And place a single crochet on the very same stitch. Place 1 single crochet on each of the DCs, 1 single crochet under chain 1 space, 1 single crochet each on each of the 3 DCs, 1 single crochet under chain space, 1 single crochet on the next first 2 DCs of the corner stitch. You are not placing any single crochet or any stitch on this particular stitch here. So of the 3 DCs in the corner, only the first 2 you are going to use. Similarly, when you come back here, you will be using the second and the third and not the one which is closest to the center. Okay. Place the single crochets. One single crochet under the chain space, We have come to the corner. We are going to place only on the next 2 DC, one in each of them. Now directly go to the corner. In the corner, place 2 single crochets, chain 3 and 2 single crochets. Then skip the next DC, place a single crochet on the next, and carry on like we worked here. Okay, place all the single crochets all around. I shall meet you where I began. Wow, we have completed this beautiful Cheyenne pattern. It is Cheyenne granny square. It comes under the granny square patterns. Again, this is a convertible crochet type technique. Okay, so now you can cut the yarn and slip stitch the way you will do it and fasten it off and hide the yarn behind, and your small motif is ready. A beautiful motif which can be used in any of the projects that we like, and it's a versatile motif. So thank you friends for watching this video. Do subscribe to Magic Needles channel, and please click on the bell icon so that you are notified of the videos that we upload every other day. Do like and share our videos too. I shall be back with yet another pattern in the next video. Bye for now. Have a great day friends.